Hello guys, and today in blockcraft 3D I have built a massive 12 tower church. Now let's go inside. So this is inside the church, and yeah, it's pretty big. In a moment we're going to go up the tower, but first we're just going to have a look around the outside so you have an idea of what the outside looks like. Let's go. Let's go up the tower. So here is the ringing chamber. Sorry, the ropes are a bit messy. It's just I had to fit in a lot of ropes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. Now let's go to the next one. This is the rope guide room with the clock mechanism. This is where all 12 bell ropes are guided to where the bells are. Now let's go to the belfry. Belfry has 2 floors because I couldn't actually fit all 12 bells in one area. So here are a couple of them, and then up here that's the tenor there, and then here are the rest of them. Now let's go to the roof. So here is the roof or viewing point where you can view down over my town. I have a lot of churches built. And then over here is just green. So I hope you liked my church. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.